My model Reese here has had her hair pre-bleached and then colored with a bright red fashion shade. I'm going to, at this point in time though, show a different technique that will tie in the brown. It's about a medium brown to a light brown, and it's going to turn the entire head of hair this vibrant red, but it's not going to require any bleach whatsoever. I will include a link to the company that I'm using, the products, Chromastics products, in the description section of this video. This is for hairdressers. This is an advanced hair coloring technique that requires quite a bit of understanding of hair color. So, as we get into it, you'll see that what I'm doing is I'm doing a strong retouch from the scalp up. My product is actually altering the amount of ammonia content, and that's going to help me to get more lift. My developer is 40 volume developer at the roots only. Now the cold shaft and ends is going to be done with red concentrates, red violet concentrates, lots of clear that has no ammonia in it whatsoever, and a volume or working volume of 10 volume, nothing more than that. And as you can see, the blend is just perfect. The tone is exactly the kind of thing she's looking for in a fashion red. This is a handleless roller brush set, and as you can see, I've got them all pretty much going horizontal, some of them with a slight angle, aren't they? And the idea is that I would put her under the dryer, dry the top on its own, then go through the ends, roll them in. As you can see, I'm taking them out now, and I'm smoothing them out with my hand now. This is going to protect the hair, give it a nice smooth, soft feeling, and it's going to create a nice high contrast look. Now you see what looks like a full head of hair. It is not. Underneath is shaved, and so we will see more of that in other pictures, but you get a very strong high contrast look. Coloring the hair this way produces a very strong condition so that the hair is not abused at all, and progressively the color will last longer and longer because no bleach work is involved. And here's our finished product. Both down, casually styled and reflecting all the light it possibly can, and up, showing off the underneath shaved portion of the style.